Dear children, today let's do solution for exercise questions. These are the questions in your textbook, page number 75. Let us see the first question. The atom of an element has 4 protons, 4 electrons and 5 neutrons. What is its atomic number and mass number? Identify the element. You know that atomic number is the number of protons. Since it has 4 protons, its atomic number is 4. Then mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons. This element has 4 protons and 5 neutrons. Therefore, what will be its mass number? Yes, 5 plus 4 equal to 9. And you have to identify the element. Atomic number 4 is element beryllium. The second question is, an element X has 10 electrons, 10 protons and 10 neutrons. What is the atomic number and mass number of X? You know that atomic number is the number of protons. Since it has 10 protons, its atomic number is 10. Its mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. 10 plus 10 equal to 20. You are asked to show the electronic configuration pictorially. The electronic configuration of the element will be, what will be its electronic configuration? It has 10 electrons, no? Therefore, its electronic configuration is K shell equal to 2, L shell equal to 8. Or we can write electronic configuration equal to 2, 8. 2 electrons in the K shell and 8 electrons in the L shell. Will the element be reactive or inert? What's your opinion? Since it has 8 electrons in the valence shell, the atom is highly stable. It is an inert gas, so it does not react with other elements. So we can say that the element is inert. Let us do question number 3. The number of electrons and neutrons in an atom are 13 and 14 respectively. Find out the mass number, atomic number, valency and symbol of the element. The number of electron is given as 13 and neutron 14. So its atomic number will be 13 because atomic number is equal to number of proton. Number of proton is in turn equal to number of electrons. It has 14 neutrons and 13 electrons. Therefore, mass number equal to 13 plus 14. Here, always remember number of electrons is equal to number of number of protons. Therefore, mass number equal to 13 plus 14 equal to 27. You have to write the symbol of the element. Since its atomic number is 13, the element is aluminium, whose symbol is Al. Then, the valency of the element. What is valency? The combining capacity of an element is known as its valency. How do you find the valency of an element from its atomic number? It's easy to find out. First, you write the electronic configuration. Since its atomic number is 13, its electronic configuration is 283, isn't it? The valence shell has 3 electrons. Therefore, its valency equal to 3. If an element has 1, 2 or 3 valence electrons, then the valency will be 1, 2 or 3. Here our atom has 3 electrons in the valence shell. Therefore, its valency is equal to 3. Question number 4. You have to find out the number of electrons, protons and neutrons in potassium atom. Atomic number is given as 19. Therefore, number of protons equal to 19, electrons equal to 19. And number of neutrons equal to mass number minus atomic number. 39 minus 19 equal to 20. The symbol of potassium is K. The electronic configuration is 2881. Question 5. Lithium has atomic number 3 and mass number 7. What all can you deduce about its atomic structure from the given information? Since its atomic number is 3, it has 3 electrons and its atomic structure will be with 3 protons and 4 neutrons in its nucleus. Since mass number is 7, neutrons equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Therefore, nucleus contains 3 protons and 4 neutrons. There are 3 electrons around the nucleus. These 3 electrons will be revolving around the nucleus in different shells. 2 electrons will be in the K shell and the remaining 1 electron will be in the L shell. Question 6. The atomic number of an element is 12 and the mass number is 24. What's the valency of the element? I already told you how to find out the valency of an element from its atomic number. First you have to write the electronic configuration. Here the atomic number of the element is 12. Therefore its electronic configuration is 282. Since it has 2 electrons in the valence shell. Remember, valence shell is the outermost shell and the valence electron is the electrons in the valence shell. Since this atom has 2 electrons in the valence shell, its valency is equal to 2. One more thing, if an atom has 1, 2 or 3 electrons in the valence shell, that atom will be a metal. Let's do question number 7. The electronic configuration of an element is 286. Find the number of electrons, protons and neutrons in its atom. So here electronic configuration is given as 286. From the electronic configuration, we will get the total number of electrons in that element. Here, what's the total number of electrons? 2 plus 8 plus 6. 10 plus 6 equal to 16. So the number of electrons equal to 16. Since it has 16 electrons, what will be the number of protons? It will be also equal to 16. And neutrons in its atom, neutrons also will be equal to 16. The element is sulfur. Atomic number, since it has 16 protons, atomic number is 16 and element with atomic number 16 is sulfur. Let's do question number 8. Find the valency of an element whose atomic number is 9. So here atomic number is given as 9. From this you have to find out the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is 2, 7. Then what will be its valency? Now I told you if an element has 1, 2, 3 electrons in its valence shell, valency will be equal to 1, 2 or 3. If an element has 4 electrons in its valence shell, its valency will be equal to 4. Then, if an element has 5, 6 or 7 electrons in its valence shell, how do you find out the valency? Then, you have to subtract this number of valence electrons from the number 8. Since if an atom has 8 electrons in its valence shell, it is highly stable now. Therefore, the valency of these elements with the number of valence electrons 5, 6 or 7, you have to subtract the valence electrons from 8. Here, the valence electron equal to 7. Therefore, the valency is equal to 8 minus 7 equal to 1. The valency of an element with atomic number 9 is 1. Suppose an element has 5 electrons in its valence shell. Then its valency will be equal to 8 minus 5 equal to 3. If an element has 6 electrons in its valence shell, its valency equal to 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Now, what will be the valency of an element if it has 8 electrons in its valence shell? Then the valency of an element, if its valence shell has 8 electrons, will be 0. Because an element with 8 electrons in its valence shell is 8 is highly stable and does not react with other elements. They are known as inert gases. The valency of inert gases is equal to 0. Let's wind up. Thank you.